In this video, I am discussing 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 1, Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 1.1. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Arithmetic progressions. Consider the following list of numbers. Here, first one is 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here, one number is increasing. And next one, 30, 100, 70, 40, 10, and so on. Here, 30 number is decreasing. 30 ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 100, 70. 100 70 ಹೋದ್ರ 30, 30 40, 70 40 ಹೋದ್ರ 30. ಈ ತರ 30 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Next, third one, -3, -2, -1, 0, and so on. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರ -3ಗೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರ -2 ಬರುತ್ತ, -2ಗೆ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರ -1 ಬರುತ್ತ, ಈ ರೀತಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ 3, 3, 3, 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ 0 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 30 ಐತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -30 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -1, -1.5, -2, -2.5. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 0.5 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರ ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಂತ ಹೋಗಿದಾರ -0.5. Each of the numbers in the list is called a term. Given a term, can you write the next term in each of the lists above? If so, how will you write it? Perhaps by following a pattern or rule. Let us observe and write the rule. First one, each term is one more than the term preceding it. Write number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Each number is one number more than preceding number. Second one, that is 100, 70, 40, 10, and so on. Each term is 30 less than preceding it. This is right. Third one, each term is obtained by adding 1 to the term preceding it. This number is -3, -2, -1, 1, 0, and so on. Each term is obtained by adding 1 to the preceding it. This is right. All the term in the list 3, each term is obtained by adding or subtracting 0 to the term preceding it. This is like this, adding 0 or subtracting 0 to the 3, we get this term. Fifth one, each term is obtained by adding minus 0.5, that is subtracting 0.5 from the term preceding it. As this is also right, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, and so on. In all the lists above, we see that successive term obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Such list of number is said to form an arithmetic progression. So, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Arithmetic progression ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತವಾಗಿ ಕಳೆಯುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕೂಡಿಸುವುದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Yes, this fixed term is called the common difference. Remember that it can be positive, negative, or zero. The common difference is a positive, negative, or zero. Okay. Next, let us denote the first term of an AP by A1, second term by A2, nth term by AN, and the common difference by D. Then the AP becomes A1, comma A2, comma A3, comma and so on AN. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to AN minus AN minus 1 is equal to D. Some more examples are given. First one, the heights in centimeters, sum of students of a school standing in a queue in the morning assembly are 147, 148, 149, and so on, 157. Last term is given 157 here. Next, the minimum temperature in degree Celsius recorded for a week in month of January in a city arranged in ascending order are. These are all APs. See, A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D represent an arithmetic progression where A is first term and D is common difference. This is called general form of an AP. This is called general form of an AP. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ರೂಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ರೂಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, general form of an AP. Next, finite and infinite AP. Here, see here, 1, finite AP andre finite, it contains finite number of terms, finite AP. If it contains, if contains finite number of terms, finite number of terms, such an AP is called finite AP. Example, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on 10, up to 10. Last number is given 10. This is finite AP. And infinite AP is infinite AP. An AP is not finite, it is called infinite AP, simple. An AP is not finite, finite is called infinite AP. Example, see our example 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Last number, we don't know that. That's why it is an infinite AP. See, the general form of an AP A1, A2, A3, and so on AN, we have D is equal to AK plus 1 minus AK, where AK plus 1 and AK are K plus 1 and kth terms respectively. To obtain D in a given AP, we need not find all A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, and so on. It is enough to find only one of them. It is enough to find only one of them, like A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, any one of them. Consider the list of number 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. By looking at it, you cannot tell that the difference between any two consecutive terms is not the same. Here, 1 minus 1 is 0, and next 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1, difference is 1. Therefore, here A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. D is not same. Common difference is not same in all cases. So it is not an AP. Note that to find D in AP, here 6, 3, 0, minus 3, and so on. We have subtracted 6 from 3, not 3 from 6. 6, 3, 0, minus 3, and so on. Here D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3 is the common difference. We should subtract kth term from the k plus 1th term even if the k plus 1th term is smaller. See this example. K plus 1th term, if it is smaller, also subtract k plus 1, k minus k plus 1th term. K plus 1 minus kth term. This is the rule. Next example, for the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, write the first term A and the common difference D. Here A first term is 3 by 2, common difference D A2 minus A1, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Here denominator is same, therefore put denominator 2 as it is. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. This is minus 1. Common difference D is equal to minus 1. Yes. Remember that we can find D using any two consecutive terms like A2 minus A1 minus A1 A2 or A2 A3 or A3 A4. Any two consecutive terms. Once we know that the numbers are in AP. Next, which of the following list of numbers form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two terms. 4, first one, 4, 10, 16, 22, and so on. Here, check whether D is same in all cases or not. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. ಈಗ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಸಮ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಸಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A2 minus A1 is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. A3 minus A2 is equal to 16 minus 10, 6. A3 minus A4 minus A3 is equal to 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. In all cases, D is same. D is 6. They are telling right next to term. First term 22 ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರ 4, 10, 16, 22 ಐತಿ. 22 ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 6. This is 28. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 28 ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 34. This is 22, 28, 34. Next to term. Exercise. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression 5? First one, the taxi fare after each kilometer when fare is 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometer. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗಾಡಿಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲ 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 15 ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ನಂತರ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕುಂತಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 rupees ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎ 15 rupees ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತ ಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗೈತಿ ಈಗ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏರೈತಿ 23. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D ಆಗತ್ತ 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 8 ಅಂದ್ರ 15 23 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯ್ತು. 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 16 ಇದು ರುಪೀಸ್ ದೊಳಗ ಇದೆ 31 rupees. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3D ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಅಂದ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತ 8 15 15 23 15 rupees 23 rupees. Next 31 rupees. Next 39 rupees. And so on. This forms an AP. Yes. In which situation does this is common difference is same? Common difference is same. Hence, it forms an AP. Forms AP. Second one, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. This is not an AP. It is not an AP because it is not forms an AP. Arithmetic progression, it is not forms an arithmetic progression because see here volumes are, we know that volumes are V 3/4 into V 3/4 whole square into V and so on. Common difference is not same in all cases. Therefore, it is not forms an AP. Okay. Next, third one, the cost of digging a well. After every meter of digging, it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. First meter, first A, this is 150. Next meter, this is common difference A plus D. Second term A2, A plus D, 150 plus 50 rupees. This is 200. Next A plus 2D, 50 rupees, 150 rupees plus 2 into 50 rupees. This is 150 plus 100. This is 250 rupees. Next term is A plus 3D. That means A plus 3D. That means that value is 300. Therefore, here D is 50. AP is 150 rupees. 200 rupees. 250 rupees. Next, 300 rupees, and so on. Hence, it common difference is D is same. D is same in all cases. Hence, it forms AP. It forms an AP. Next, fourth one, the amount of money in the account of every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. This is not an AP. It is not an AP because it is not an AP because amounts are, we know that compound interest formula, amounts are 10,000, 1 plus A, 1 plus 8 by 100. Next, second term, 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. This is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N, formula for compound interest. Compound interest formula, N is years, P principal amount, R is rate of interest. This is the formula. Therefore, here common difference is not same in all cases. Therefore, it is not forms an AP. Second one, write first four terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. First, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. They are asking first four terms. First term is A, 10. Next, A2 is equal to A plus D. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. 10 plus 2 into 10 is equal to, this is 20 plus 10, 30. A3 is equal to A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A10 plus 3 into 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. Next four terms are 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Second one, this is for first one, this is for second one. A2 is minus 2, A1 is minus 2, A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 2. First term A minus 2, A2 is equal to A plus D. Minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Minus 2 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore, minus 2. A4 is equal to A plus 2D. Minus 2 plus 3 into 0 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, AF is arithmetic progression is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and so on. Third one, A1 is equal to A. This is for A2 is equal to A plus D. 4 D is minus 3, minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. This is 4 minus 4 plus 2 into minus 3. This is equal to 4 minus 6. This is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the minus 2. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. That means 4 plus 3 into minus 3. This is 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. AP is AP is 4, 4, comma 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, and so on. Next, fourth one, A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1, A2 is equal to A plus D, D here 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, this is minus 2 plus 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. This is -1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. This 2 cancel. 1 minus 1 is 0. A4 is equal to 1 plus 3D. A plus 3D. This is A here 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. AP is -1 -1 minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, and so on. Common difference D here is 1 by 2. Next, third one. Third means here, fifth one. A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1.25. A2 is equal to A plus D. Here A plus D is minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. This is minus 1.50. A3 is A plus 2D. Here A is minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. This is minus 1.25 plus this is minus 0.50. This is minus 1.75. AP is AP minus 1.25 minus 1.5 minus 1.5 and so on. Next, third one. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.